Welcome to Booze Bowl Creations. Today we're bringing you 3 delicious recipes featuring Sri Lankan liquor. Let's get started. First up, Arrack-Infused rice with coconut curry. Rinse 1 cup of basmati rice. In a pot, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. Add the rice and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Pour in 1 cup of coconut milk and half a cup of Sri Lankan arrack. Add salt to taste. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Fluff with a fork and garnish with cilantro. Next, whiskey spiced noodles. Cook 200 grams of rice noodles. In a large pan, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Sauté 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 inch of minced ginger. Add 1 sliced bell pepper, 1 julienne carrot and 1 sliced zucchini. Stir fry until tender. Pour in half a cup of Sri Lankan whiskey. Add soy sauce, fish sauce and chili paste. Toss in the cooked rice noodles, mix well and serve with lime wedges and chopped peanuts. Finally, coconut arrack prawn curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a large pan. Sauté 1 chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Add curry powder, turmeric powder and chili powder. Stir well, pour in half a cup of Sri Lankan arrack. Add 500 grams of prawns, cook until they turn pink. Pour in 1 cup of coconut milk and simmer for 10 minutes. Season with salt and garnish with curry leaves. There you have it. 3 amazing booze bowl recipes with a Sri Lankan twist. Try them out and enjoy the flavors of Sri Lanka with a kick. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.